Hey there, James Grandstaff here, and thanks for opting in to check out this video. Hopefully you watched the first video where I explained how I tested two versions of my fan page to find out which one converted better. And if you recall, we discovered that version A converted 218% more visitors into fans. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the two different versions of my page so you can see why version A crushed version B. I'm also going to reveal more about this tweak responsible for the conversion increase and how you can get your page set up the same way. Plus, I'll show you two pages that are making a big mistake and how easy it is to avoid it. And the really cool thing is, it doesn't matter what business you're in or what you're selling. Once you add this tweak to your page, you will get more fans and make more money. Okay, so let's first talk about the mistake I see people making with their pages. And all it took was a quick search on Facebook to find two great examples. The first page I found belongs to a real estate firm, and the second page is for a photography company. And the problem is, visitors to both of these pages are landing on the wall. And at first glance, this might seem like a good idea because this is where the conversation takes place. However, since getting likes is the name of the game on Facebook, unfortunately, driving visitors to your wall is not the ideal place for them to land on their first visit. In fact, it's now the least effective method because of the recent timeline format that Facebook forced on us. Now, there's a better way. And to prove this, let's take a look at the two pages I tested. Well, this one looks familiar, right? This is version B, and during the first 2 days, I drove 247 visitors to my wall, and I ended up with only 16 likes. Now, if we look at version A, you'll notice a huge difference. What I'm doing here is using a proven two-step like process. So instead of driving traffic to the wall, I'm sending traffic directly to a custom landing page app where I make an offer in exchange for the like. And yes, I know the default landing page setting was removed by Facebook, but that's okay. I still ended up with 218% more likes from the same amount of traffic. So you want to make sure that you're sending visitors to a custom landing page and making an offer in exchange for the like. And there's no need to get all fancy either. Just make sure your image has a clean design and the offer is simple. Now, I hope you don't mind if I get a little techie on you for a second. The offer is important, but the real magic comes from the app that's running behind the scenes. You see, the app not only creates the landing page, the custom landing page, but it also locks the content until the like button is clicked. And that's really the big secret. Watch how cool this is. As soon as I click the like button, the fan-only content will magically appear. Check this out. How cool is that? And the reason version B didn't convert as well is because visitors were just landing on the wall where there was nothing of value being offered to entice them to like my page. And if you understand the power of the like button, you know it's all about social engagement because you can send updates and interact with the fans who like your page. And everyone who clicks like is essentially sharing your page with all of the people in their network. So the ultimate goal is to get as many likes as possible. More likes equals more traffic. More traffic equals more opportunity to build relationships with your fans and sell more of your products and services. And this simple tweak will help you do just that. Yeah, it's pretty awesome stuff. Now, before I tell you how to get your page set up like this, I do have a little confession to make. I don't know anything about setting up Facebook pages. There, I said it. I didn't set up my page, I didn't create the graphics, I didn't program the software, or any of it. So what did I do? I asked one of my customers for help. His name is Ryan, and he's a 26-year-old Facebook whiz kid from Chicago who was just starting out in internet marketing. Well, one day he contacted me on Skype and he told me he was promoting a product that he purchased from me, and he was super pumped because he got his first sale. Well, long story short, I asked him where the sale came from, and he told me Facebook. I said, man, I guess I'm way behind the times then, bro, because I don't know anything about Facebook. So I asked him if he'd be willing to help me out, and he said yes. In exchange for his help, I offered to help him with aspects of internet marketing that I'm good at, and now I have one of those fancy Facebook pages. But here's where it got interesting. Since launching my page, a lot of people have been asking how they can get their page set up the same way. Yeah, it's true. People were more interested in how I set up my page than my actual product, which was not the plan, right? So I asked Ryan if he'd be willing to package up the app and make some videos showing people how to set up their page like mine. I said, hey man, let's just partner up on this. You create the product, I'll help you with the marketing, and everybody wins. It did take a little arm twisting, but eventually he agreed. Just kidding. He was like, heck yeah, dude. So here's what we put together for you. The Locked Until Liked Timeline Kit, which includes our custom landing page app, 5 landing page templates, and easy-to-follow video tutorials to help you get up and running as fast as possible. So here's a closer look at everything you get. First, you're getting the Timeline landing page app, which is 100% web-based and super easy to use. All you do is upload your content to our secure servers, click one button, and the app automatically creates your landing page and locks your offer until someone clicks like. There's no programming or code to learn, and once you have your content ready, this step takes less than 2 minutes. You're also getting 5 professionally designed landing page templates plus a graphics pack bundle. But what good are templates and graphics if you can't edit them or make changes, right? Well, I guess you don't have to worry about that because Ryan went all ninja one day after customers were asking this very question, and the next thing I know, he tells me he just installed a user-friendly editing software right inside the members area. He says it's like having Photoshop online without the cost and much easier to use. I was like, sweet. So now you can customize your templates with a few clicks of your mouse, and this will save you tons of money because you won't have to hire an expensive designer each time you want to make a change. Ryan's also created several video tutorials that are going to walk you through everything step by step to make sure that you get up and running as quickly as possible. So the bottom line is, this package was created to make you look like a pro without having to worry about any of the techie stuff. Plus, you're getting 3 awesome bonuses. Bonus number 1 is our timeline cover templates, which includes 5 matching designs that allow you to build a timeline cover, profile pic, and custom app icon. You can even use these templates to create timeline covers for your clients if you want. And notice the design pattern on the last 2 here? They guide your visitors' eyes to your custom app to help you get even more likes. And the absolute coolest part is that you can edit the templates using the online editor. So let's say you don't like the color of the blue sky on the urban template, no problem, just make one simple adjustment and bam, it's a new color. Isn't that sweet? And then bonus number 2 is called Timeline Secrets. This is an advanced customer-only training that's never been released publicly before. It breaks down the top 4 psychological sales triggers that we use to turn our fans into customers. Not only that, but I'll show you how to implement these sales triggers into a proven sales process that starts with your landing page, so you'll finally understand how all the pieces fit together so you can start turning your fans into paying customers. And then bonus number 3 is our resource Rolodex, which includes all the great tools and resources we use to run our business on Facebook. For instance, you'll get access to the designers we use and a whole lot more. And finally, you get peace of mind knowing that we have your back if you need help. So if you ever run into a problem with your package or you need help with anything, just submit a help desk ticket and we'll be there to help you out. Okay, so what's your investment? Well, the bonuses alone would retail for more than $497 if we offered them separately. But before I tell you the actual price, let me explain how you can not only get everything in this package 100% free, but actually earn monthly passive income without any effort on your part. Check this out. At the bottom of your custom landing page, you'll have the option of including or removing the Powered by WYourLikes.com branding. Now, this feature is commonly referred to as white labeling. So not only do you get the option of removing our branding, some of our social media managers do this, but if you decide to keep it on your page, we will pay you 75% commission on all referred sales. So that means as you go about promoting your page and driving traffic and just, building your business, your fans will see the Powered By link at the bottom. And for those that click through and purchase our product from your embedded affiliate link, you will earn 75% commission paid directly to you by check or direct deposit. Our payment processor, ClickBank, they've paid out over $2 billion in affiliate commissions on time on behalf of vendors like us for over 10 years now. So you will get paid for the sales you make. Now, did you know that some app companies out there actually force their paying customers to display their company branding on their pages? Yeah, they're basically stealing free advertising from their clients, kind of like car dealers do with the branded license plate frames. Well, we don't do that. Instead, we share the profits with you, and all it takes is 2 referrals and your investment is 100% covered. It's a total win-win. So unless you can find another provider that treats their customers like gold and is willing to share 75% of the revenue with you, choosing us is a smart move. I mean, after all, you're running a business, right? And running a business is all about minimizing expenses and maximizing profits. And that's exactly what W Your Likes helps you do.
Hey James, I own just about every iframe software there is available out there today to create fan pages on Facebook. And I've spent probably close to $1,800 in the last month and a half alone trying to find the right solution, and I've finally done it with your software. WYourLikes.com, I had my fan page up and running in 3 minutes flat. And dude, the graphics pack that you're giving with it, that's worth more than the whole package itself. If you're watching this video, like I said, I cannot believe the price. Jump on it now. I've done the research. I've paid the money. You don't need to look any further. WYourLikes.com is the solution.
Okay, so here's the deal. Right below this video, you'll see our special introductory pricing. All you have to do next is click the Add to Cart button, select the option that works best for you, and check out. As soon as you place your secure order, you'll get instant access to everything inside our private members area. And the money-back guarantee is simple. If you don't get more likes to your Facebook page or you're unhappy for any reason, just contact our help desk and you'll get a prompt and courteous refund on the spot, no questions asked. And you can even keep the 5 timeline covers as our way of saying thanks for trying our product. So no matter what, you come out ahead. Cool? If so, go ahead and click the Add to Cart button below right now and start getting more likes to your Facebook page, and we'll see you inside.